My fellow Ambalanders, I don't come from an front today, now by the grace of God. And I want to first of all greet the Restoration Forces Sister Ambaland. 21 God salute for una. I thank una very much for the work the way we as Ambazonia Restoration Forces we do for the ground zero for make sure say we will take our country back for the hands of the Republic. But if you see on today, I come on air, not say me I like I will come on air. I don't see some of the things the way we, the Restoration Forces for the ground zero, we do away not correct. We the Amba Defense Forces for ground zero. The time don't reach for we for ground to make our own decisions. Most stop for take decisions with people for diaspora way they live their life very freely. We will talk about lockdown on the 2nd of September. The Chris Anuka gone air. What that thing say it woo? Say lockdown is start on the 26th. If you look at that lockdown where Chris Anu talk, it don't cause a lot of disorder for the ground zero. I mean that kind of mistake not repeat itself again, Mr. Chris Anu. I just give you that small respect. Like, next time I will call you say Chris Anu. So be very careful. And I did warn my brother and two for the ground, for where they dey for ground, say, we're there for defend your country. We'll give for the worker for one track. We need for the worker now for one track. Must stop disorder. Because some of our brothers for diaspora, then bring disorder for the Ambaland. If you look at what happened with Moyoka the other day, where they kill people there for day, now because of say, gonna be very, very stupid and very, very foolish. For say they bribe una, for say muna come up for road that day. I made that kind of mistake again, don't repeat itself again next time for inside this Ambaland. Me every restoration force will day for ground, all will don't make decisions say now on this day, now the day. Me some man no come up for some place say naive. If that people don't want you take order for them for diaspora, may they be in as one people who will work with them. I'm gonna make them understand one thing. We not get government for inside Ambaland. We sit there for liberate the land. When we go liberate the land, then that time government will come. Me some man no shows on play talking mami Pima say government is là. There's no government in ground zero. We the restoration force for ground zero. We try to bring order for ground zero. But just a few days ago, Chris Anu come on air talking mami Pima say goes down on the 26th. People don't lose their life. Again, like you say, no, some family person lost his life. Then next time, you'll get it very hot. Even after that diaspora, you'll get it hot for that place. May I tell you, Mr. Chris, and be very careful. You don't be the last and the last time I will talk to you. This country, my fellow brothers of the revolution, at the back now, we work for one track. Now for our own good. Now me and you, the face the heat for ground. Me so man not just diaspora where they live in luxurious life. They think every country will die because it was only 50,000 francs. But that kind of mistake will not repeat itself again next time. Though the promise we things them, but no one ever come. But they for ground, we manage as we manage, and now by God's grace and now by God's power, we will take the revolution to a destination. So my fellow brother of the revolution, I beg you now. We don't say shut down on this day, not the day, and shut down. It start on the 2nd of September, down to the 6th. It start again on the 9th. Continue to the 13th. Now so we to operate. I need to say me I get that power to talk, but I talk on the behalf of all the restoration forces on ground and on the behalf of all the general. Don't say of about plenty. But I say me and no say this is the right way. I will need to follow the right way. And I don't call some of them for phone. Me and they don't talk. before I go on air. So me everybody me be very careful for play with day. Any man want to bring downfall for the revolution, me be very, very careful. My Papa General Ivo, you don't talk this thing. So me be very careful. Then at the first country this where government go win the people. So me be very, very careful. I just take God's name, I beg you now. Me be very careful. I also thank my brother them. Me na hold on so strong. We chase the terrorists occupying inside our land. So that we'll get our freedom. From there we'll go bring governance. We go govern we inside our amber land. I also thank some of our mommy and papa and say me they don't mind for this school. We are beginning to get the best education so ever when this country will get the freedom. If you say I begin for school, it die, there are problem. But I be very, very ashamed for of the Ambazonian them. Because now we, the Ambazonian, the Mela Republic, the Kiwi, they will never get him a chop. We'll find money for buying a weapon for defend ourselves. But our parents them, they gather money, send that begin them out of the country. Now then Israel Republic for buy weapons, they can't Kiwi. Me other nonsense, me stop. Any man don't send the begin out of the country, me no since this Ambaland. Now problem you get out to we. Because of the help for sending the Republic me Kiwi all finish. Any man don't send the begin out of the country. When na Ambazonian, when I bring them back, all will go fight the war. Because someone now know say na elite that they fight war. More fight war. Elite they fight. Go first gun. They were the country they fight. Now bring na picking them. With the baby book them. It no go happen for this Ambaland. It no go happen for this Ambaland. We don't lost plenty of our brothers. They fight for their freedom for this country. So many generals, commanders, soldiers. Who say they today? When they fight for school. Country they don't fight for a long time. They get their freedom. And if you see the economy for the country, they move very, very well and very, very smooth. But I don't know how the ambassador, they be very, very stupid. They gather money, go pay la Republic, me buy weapons, can't kill you all. Anybody picking don't go school. You know say na problem will get out here. For inside the ground zero. Na problem don't start so. I thank all the defense forces who na hold on so strong. But the fact I just say we need for the work in collaboration for chase people out as fast as possible. Mr. Mano they claim say na EPE. And no one can achieve inside this Ambaland. We need to follow order with this Ambaland before we want some people don't be. So we give respect and follow order so that we flow as one people. As Saloduna, I'm hold on strong. I thank you very, very much.